Why would you leave the house with no shoes on?
Oh!
What?
Oh!
The light bulb just shot on.
Shoes.
You did wear shoes?
I wore fucking sandals.
It took you that long to realize you're barefooted?
Damn it! Bitches!
Where did that come
I
from?
wore sandals to the party?
It wasn't no party. We were just drinking.
Okay.
Well, you and Jade, I guess you could say.
I'm getting out the party. I'm going in the house. Let me in the car. Let me in the car. Asian now.
Angel, you're going to wake up the
No,
neighbors.
did I tell y'all what I did a minute ago? You know the garbage man came here?
Yeah.
And I walked up to the big ass garbage truck and knocked on the window.
Oh,
I said, do you do this every night?
you did not.
I
You did
I
not.
swear to God.
We left this house.
And he was right over there at the garbage thing. I said, do you do that? He rolled down his window.
Like, who the fuck is knocking on the door?
I was like,
Garbage
is
truck.
this your job? He was like, yeah.
Is this your job?
And he was like, yeah. It was
Oh,
like, so this is like, I said, is it scary for you? He
Oh,
was like, no. I was like, but you pick up this big ass garbage truck. And he was like, yeah. And I was like,
I'm sure he was like,
I
yes.
was like, sorry. And he was like, it's okay. And he was trying to talk to me. And I was like, I'm going in the
She
house.
told him,
I
sorry,
didn't mean
you have to be a garbage
ask you
truck man.
this. And he was like, come back. I was like, I gotta go.
That's crazy. How you going to go to someone and be like, sorry, this is your job. Your job sucks.
No,
I'm
I
sorry.
meant like, sorry I even bothered you. I didn't mean to talk to a garbage truck guy. Like, give me